Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a mining rig with Bitmain, full guide step by step clearly. To build a mining rig with Bitmain, start by gathering all necessary components. You will need a Bitmain miner, a suitable power supply, a motherboard, RAM, and storage. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the mining process. Begin by preparing the workspace and laying out all the components. Start by installing the RAM onto the motherboard. Next, connect the storage device to the motherboard. Now, mount the motherboard into the case. Once the motherboard is securely in place, connect the power supply. Make sure to plug in the necessary cables to the motherboard, ensuring proper connections. Next, install the Bitmain miner, carefully aligning it with the motherboard. Connect the miner to the power supply. After that, connect the miner to the internet using an Ethernet cable. Once all connections are secure, double-check for any loose cables. Now it's time to power on the mining rig. Monitor the system to ensure it boots up properly. If all goes well, proceed to configure the mining software. Follow the specific instructions for your Bitmain miner to finalize configuration. Let the mining rig run and monitor its performance over time. Make adjustments as necessary based on your observations. Finally, keep your rig in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.